a name again. Okay, so we're going to open these flying aircraft. They are modifications and surprise sticker. We're gonna open these. Again, I already made one, so it's gonna get quickly. I'm so excited. Okay, so I'm going to add this one. This one inside the aircraft. Please, sticker, don't move. Or else I'm gonna be. Remember when this boy didn't fit on the wall? I'll say that you did not fit inside this. Now I'm done with this, and then I'm going to.
That's one is the hat. That one is the hat pack.
Which I already got in. And that's your plane. Okay, and there's a yellow one, and this comes with a gun, which you put on, which I'm gonna do for again.
No, I know now. I learned from a teacher. I'm going to teach it. It's okay. What I learned? Let's go play me, please.
I didn't see that.
I want to do. I want to move. Move everyone.
Okay, got it in. Now the yellow airline.
No.
Now it's a yellow airline. What should be called water airline since it has so much progress. I think this is like a water plane that's like a plane that can go on water, and this one is a plane that can fly very high.
And guys, I will tell you something. This, you know those water planes, they're going water on it? It's one of those. And, oh my god! It went so far!
Okay guys, we're out here to show you how this plane goes so fast. That probably didn't work well. Let's do that again. Yeah. Red airline, and then we're gonna start the other. Because red wasn't that good. Want me to shoot for you?
No.
Oh my god! That went so far. Put it in the, up in the air so I can go higher.
No.
And then we'll compare which one is the highest. Whoa! The airline also made it. Yellow airline! Is that one who will be the best plane champion? Oh! Okay! That went far! Next plane on your thing!
Blue airline, I'll do it. I'll do the ball.
Okay, now we can... Now that's flying!
That's a guy. We're good.
You don't know how to do it. And a pig! Throw it. Hey, Blue! Oh my! At the end of the Blue airline! Not even speedy airline. This is so speedy. This is a jump. I think oh, it's not ready yet.
I wanted to tell you to do this.
Pick up the plane. That was a little slow. Now let's play. Think again to playing media planes.
Get a media plane.
Everyone, please like, subscribe just because other kids playing with me. Wait, she got in.
Where's Mr. Gunner?
I'm really sure. Hopefully, we get to find him too, man. Oh, lost in the tree.
I know that I had to do
You
this.
guys see that big old flower on that tree? It's so big. I've never seen it. I didn't know palm trees sprout.
There's too much wind, so the player are not going fast. Otherwise, they're so fast. I'm scared. No! Woo! Please like, subscribe, and on notifications. Bye. I'll then come back